Hey, Greg McQuagge, Vice President of Corporate Maintenance, here to just show some of the features of the Kenworth T680. So let's go through some of the features of the interior. It's top bunk, windows on either side of the top bunk to provide some natural light, storage up top, storage here for a microwave, storage up top again, storage down below for a refrigerator, a nice locker for clothes and other personal items, a couple of storage compartments there, another slide out storage compartment here, then above the driver's seat, another storage compartment, and finally above the passenger seat. So nice amount of storage, and in a minute we'll look at the storage underneath the bottom bunk. Nice size bottom bunk and plenty of storage underneath to store chains or any other items that you need there for while you're over the road. Plenty of DC outlets, AC outlet down below, already installed mounting bracket for your TV that swivels out, plenty of lighting. It also has an auto start system similar to a lot of the other OEMs. Auto start actually allows you to be in the bunk with the heat or the air on without idling the truck. And so the way that you actually start the auto start functionality is you have the key in the off position, and here you press this button up, hold this for 3 seconds, and you'll see that the auto start is engaged now. So that's illuminated in red. On the dash it told you it was engaged, and you can hear AC's running. So now in the bunk there is a thermostat similar to your house. So you power that thermostat up, and it's going to show you auto, and then it actually has a temperature there in Fahrenheit. So you set that on the temperature you want, and you allow the truck to cool down. This system is not designed to cool the truck down without it being started and cooling down a little bit. It's really designed for when you come off the road after delivering a load or taking your break. It's designed to keep this truck cool. So best thing that you can do is take all of the curtains, pull them around to keep the cool air in, do the bunk cooler or heater, turn that on, set it to your desired temperature, and set up the auto start. So you hear the truck just started. That's because the batteries got drawn down to a certain level. And so the truck started itself so that you won't have an issue with the AC going off or any of your power outlets going off. And it will continue to run until the battery level's up to the proper level. Then it'll shut itself off. But you have continuous AC or heat throughout your rest time. So here for the panel in the bunk, just a few switches to control lights, those type of things. But one of the main things I wanted to point out is drivers are always concerned about, safety in the truck. So Kenworth has an alert system. If you press the red button, that red button will then create an audible alert and a visible alert. And so the horn will blow in an SOS mode, and the lights will flash in the SOS mode. It's a nice feature for when you're out over the road, and if you had some sort of an emergency where you need to catch someone's attention. That safety alert feature that I showed in the bunk, there's also the same safety button up on the dash there. That was a tour of the interior of the Kenworth T680. Really, most of the safety features, such as the adaptive cruise control, all those type of safety features are the same as the last year's model.